Okay, let's go. We're going to Foam Party.
Now,
What time is it? 2 o'clock? Perfecto.
now, now,
Yes, now.
2:10,
2:10?
2:15.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let's go here.
No, we go meet him.
My name is Tom. No. You know the day
We're going to the foam party here, the Good Vibe Tribe. The funnest party in Pattaya, where there's plenty of foam. So come along. Today's featured sponsor presents a line of clothing and accessories that go beyond fashion. It's more of a proclamation to the world that you've chosen to be a part of a movement that embraces positivity over negativity. Click on the link in the show notes below to discover apparel to coffee mugs that make a statement and serve as a daily reminder to prioritize positive thinking on your journey of living a life filled with inner peace, joy, and abundance. Now back to today's episode.